Nomad 2023, a Living Land Festival, is an invitation to local and international communities of creatives. We started this journey in 2022 with the Nomadic Image Conference, along with a lot of creative workshops and activities. One of the major components of 2022 festival was the film festival. So the film festival was dedicated to regional filmmakers in 2022. This year we expanded on it and extend an invitation to international filmmakers, and we received more than 150 films from 40 countries and 6 continents from around the world.
Albatta күтүүсүз болду. Анткени биздин улуттук конкурста аябай жакшы, мыкты фильмдер бар болчу. Биринчи приз биздин фильмден башталганда чынында аябай күтүүсүз болду, абдан кубанычтуу болду.
The best film award regional is Shades of Melancholy.
Албетте бул мындай иш-чаралар жаштар үчүн, биринчи кезекте жаштар үчүн абдан маанилүү. Айрыкча студенттер үчүн, жаш жаратмандар үчүн, анткени дүйнөнүн ар кайсы жерлеринен келген кино жаратмандары.
We also added a new component to 2023 festival, and that is digital experiments. How do we harness the power and the energy of new technologies in our creative practices? What we are trying to understand is the deeper connection between the community and land, how the community has evolved and has lived through the land, and how the land is a source of inspiration for the community. So we are trying to bring international and local and regional artists, activists, scholars, academics, and students, and creating a space, a very safe and encouraging space that can foster new dialogues across these lines.
We've had so many generative conversations amongst artists and makers and filmmakers. So I feel that people are going to go from here feeling invigorated to tell stories and to find new ways to tell stories. And that's my biggest hope, because really the young people in this environment are the future of how we express ideas. And so I think this festival is a great way to get people together and really inspire each other to, even me, I'm an old filmmaker, but it's great to be around that and find new ways of looking at things. So, yeah.
So 2023, it was a successful event, and we are hoping that we can continue this journey in 2024. And we are hoping that we can expand our reach to the other regions of the country, and particularly to the capital city of Bishkek, where we might meet you very soon in our newborn studio called UCA Plus. We'll see you there.